go. I think we're lost, and my husband is a bit grumpy right now. There you go. He said he is tired already. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is my first day of our camping, so we're going to see everything in here. We have a new paint in the car. Yeah, it's so pretty. The name is Retro Liner. I'm excited. Ayan, nakaayos ang lola mo kasi para maganda sa video. So this is our bike. We are going to ride in this bike. And this is our camper. Super nice camper. And that is my husband. Very grumpy. He doesn't want me to take a video. So
hey, let's not have a monologue.
yeah,
attitude yourself.
But he likes it when I take a video after this trip. He watches all the videos. So. And this is our truck, our big white truck. There you go. Oops. All the trees. There you go. The good Mr. Grumpy. Okay, we're going to, I don't know.
This attitude to you.
You are Mrs.
Right.
Mrs. Mr. Grumpy.
Rock and roll.
Okay. This pretty place. Very beautiful. And all the tall trees here. It's very tall. Very it's so hard. Ah. Bye, mister.
After when I came down there, you seemed like a 9 or 10 foot one, just sitting out, looking around.
Wood stork nest. But one of the trees the wood stork nested in.
Maybe we can live here. Oh, look at that! That's our bike over there. With the bike. There you go, guys. It's so pretty here.
This is our latest version of Welcome to Georgia.
Welcome to Georgia!
Bye, y'all.
Oh, so that's where we came from, and we are going to come back again. And yeah, relaxing time. You don't have any energy. Hey, you, Mr. Guapito. There you go.
Hey, girl. You want a date?
No, you're not my type. I'm
You're not mine
taken.
either. That's why I charge you.
You are so mean to me.
Yeah, it's neutral.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're gonna get hungry later. I'm not gonna cook.
What's your name? like Bertha or something?
Huh. You're gonna get it later.
Huh.
No more food for you.
Maybe it's like Esmeralda or something like that, or some goofy name,
Huh?
like apple or peanut butter.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's head back.
Okay, we're going back now. Get ready. Bye. There you go. I'm glad
Okay, now where were we? Then the battery died.
I don't know.
Here we
I'm
are.
glad
Partly
I have
sunny
another.
Jekyll Island. Yay!
I'm glad I have another battery.
My wife is so smart prepared.
I
It's
am so
unbelievable.
smart sometimes. There you go. Ooh.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's
Okay.
rock.
Let's go again, guys. So we are here now. We just take a rest. So we are here now. We just take a rest. So there you go. I think we're lost, and my husband is a bit grumpy right now. There you go. He said he is tired already. But look at that, guys. Look at that. Isn't it so pretty here? Oh my gosh. You can hear the birds. All you can hear now is the wind, the breeze, and the birds. Isn't that so pretty? Hear that? And he is mad. He is mad. He said he's tired and we're lost now. And he hates picture and video. But he is the only one who's gonna enjoy this after this trip. There you go. I look so pretty today, so that's all that matters. Okay. Bye.
You're a bird, I'm a bird. Put your arms up and twirl.
Hello, everybody.
Hey,
I love it here. It's so windy.
summer of 2021, Jekyll Island, Georgia.
Yes, I love it. So